he take the gold? And he takes the gold. Coming in silver is Mr. Lowe with our final, but not least at all, Claudia. She just made it past the midway mark.